Hello YouTuber, welcome to another cooking video. Today I'm going to show you a very simple way to make strawberry milkshake. This is very simple and sweet, and it wouldn't take long time to do it. So to prepare this strawberry milkshake, I'm taking 5 ingredients. Let's go to that. I'm taking some strawberry, about 4 of them. They are freshly picked from British garden, and also taking some sugar. You can take sugar powder if you like, and British whole milk. To prepare our glass, I'm actually putting this glass into the freezer for 10-15 minutes. So now I'm going to add my sugar into the strawberry, and then I will blend with hand blender. The reason I'm doing this, because if you blend with your milk and strawberry together, then strawberry may not break down very well. So it's advisable to break down or blend strawberry with sugar before adding milk. And as I mentioned, my milkshake glass is in the freezer for 10 minutes now, because we would like to have a cold milkshake, not warm. I also added a couple of ice cubes into the mix. If you like, you can add some ice cream, strawberry ice cream or vanilla ice cream, or whichever ice cream you like. If you haven't, you can use just normal ice. All will do. So also all blended now. As you can see, nothing left, although there will be little bits left at the bottom, and there will be probably seeds from strawberry. So for garnishing, I'm actually sliced a couple of one strawberry into half, and with the little stick I'm actually inserting them into both of them, and do it as you can see. So now I've got my glass. As you can see, it's really cold. So I'm going to pour my strawberry milkshake into the glass. So viewer, there you go. That's our strawberry milkshake with little garnishing. So that's it. 2-minute job. So thank you guys so much for your time with us, and do not forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already. Until our next video, bye for now.